In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Mf.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match and take note of your system type. And then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL and just put download. Then hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to your system type and simply wait for this to be downloaded into your Windows 11. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load and then right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder. Right click and then select paste. Now once done, close all the windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Also consider to update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates that your Windows need. Okay, so that's it and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.